Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're looking at a vacuum that promises to tackle all kinds of messes with ease. The Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle Upright Bagless Cordless Stick Vacuum. If you've been searching for a lightweight, versatile, and powerful vacuum, this could be the one. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? Let's break it down. First things first, the Shark SV1106 is designed to be a breeze to handle, especially with its lightweight build of just 7.5 pounds. Whether you're lugging it up and down stairs or navigating through tight spaces, the weight is a big plus. And for those of you who aren't into the hassle of cords, you're in luck. It's cordless, so you won't be tripping over wires or limited by power outlets while you clean. The battery voltage is 10.8 volts, and while that's not the highest in the market, it still delivers solid power for regular cleaning tasks. The Shark SV1106 also has a 125-watt motor, which balances power and efficiency. You can expect consistent suction for most messes, but it's not going to rival more heavy-duty models when it comes to raw power. Now let's talk about suction performance. This vacuum has a 2-speed Brushroll, which is optimized for both carpet and hard floors. On hard floors, it glides pretty easily, picking up everything from crumbs to dust. But it's the carpet performance that really stands out. The Brushroll is great at picking up embedded pet hair, which is often a pain for regular vacuums. If you have pets at home, you'll definitely appreciate this feature. On low-speed settings, it's effective on hard floors, and on high speed, it really digs into carpets, lifting dirt from deep within the fibers. However, on high speed, the noise level can reach up to 80 decibels. It's not the quietest vacuum, but it's manageable for most cleaning sessions. One thing I really appreciate about the Shark SV1106 is the XL dust cup. It holds 0.64 quarts, which means fewer interruptions for emptying the bin during cleaning. If you have a lot of space to cover, this will save you time and effort. The dust cup is easy to empty too. Just pop it open and dump the contents without a mess. But as with any bagless vacuum, be prepared for the occasional dust cloud when emptying, especially if you're dealing with fine dirt. Another great feature is the precision charging system. The charger doubles as a storage block, so when you're done, you can store the vacuum neatly and keep it charged at the same time. The charging time is about 4 hours, which is fairly standard. While that may seem a bit long, it ensures the vacuum is fully powered for your next cleaning session. Now, when it comes to maneuverability, the Shark SV1106 is easy to move around. The swivel steering makes it simple to navigate tight corners and around furniture. It's especially helpful for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors with the included attachments. The lack of a cord adds to the ease of movement, but one drawback is the need to recharge it after a certain amount of use. Battery life can vary depending on your cleaning settings, but for a typical session, expect about 15 to 20 minutes of runtime. This may be limiting for larger homes, but it should work fine for smaller spaces or quick touch-ups. Let's touch on the ergonomics. While the Shark SV1106 is light, the handle design might feel a bit bulky for those with smaller hands. It's not uncomfortable, but it might take some time to get used to the grip, especially during longer cleaning sessions. It's also worth noting that the suction doesn't decrease over time, but like any cordless vacuum, you may notice some drop-off when using it on high power for extended periods. As for maintenance, the Shark SV1106 is pretty user-friendly. The dust cup is easy to clean, and the Brushroll can be accessed for any hair or debris buildup. It's worth checking every so often, especially if you have long hair or pets, but it's not too difficult to maintain. The filters also need periodic cleaning to keep things running smoothly, but overall, this vacuum is low maintenance compared to more complex models. Now, no vacuum is perfect, and there are a few things to consider before making your decision. The Shark SV1106 excels in portability and ease of use, but the battery life can be a bit short for larger homes. It's not the best option if you need a long-lasting cordless vacuum for extended cleaning sessions. Also, if you're sensitive to noise, the 80 dB sound level on high speed might be a deal breaker. Is this vacuum worth its price? In my opinion, it delivers solid value, especially for smaller homes or apartments. It's light, easy to store, and works well for pet owners who need something that can tackle hair without getting clogged. The 2-speed Brushroll and XL dust cup make it versatile for different cleaning tasks, and the fact that it's cordless adds to the convenience. While the price is reasonable for its performance, you might find similar vacuums with longer battery life or stronger suction for a similar or slightly higher price. If you need something for quick cleans or smaller areas, the Shark SV1106 is a good choice. But if you're dealing with a large home or heavy-duty messes, you might want to explore other options. If you're comparing this vacuum to others in the same category, the Shark SV1106 is a good option when you consider its combination of features, weight, and maneuverability. However, there are other vacuums in the same price range, like the Black Decker cordless stick vacuum, which offers slightly more runtime, but may lack the same pet hair capabilities. On the other hand, higher-end cordless vacuums from brands like Dyson or Tinyco provide better suction and longer battery life, but at a significantly higher price point. When it comes to build quality, the Shark SV1106 feels solid for the price. The plastic is durable without feeling too cheap, and the overall design is fairly intuitive. There aren't any flimsy parts that feel like they'll break under normal use, which is a good sign for long-term reliability. But as with any bagless vacuum, keep an eye on the filters and brush roll to maintain peak performance. In terms of customer service, Shark has a generally positive reputation. They offer a decent warranty, and any issues I've had with their products in the past were handled swiftly, so I'm confident this vacuum would follow suit. To wrap up, the Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle Cordless Stick Vacuum is a solid option for those looking for a lightweight, portable, and easy-to-use vacuum, especially for homes with pets or a mix of carpets and hard floors. It may not be the most powerful or have the longest battery life, but it's great for quick cleans and smaller homes. If you're after something reliable, convenient, and easy to maintain, this vacuum won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the comments box below. If you've got any questions or already own the Shark SV1106, drop a comment and share your experience. Till next time, happy cleaning.